back to Anand's kitchen. Today I am going to share with you a very tasty dal recipe. This dal is hailing and originating mainly from Rajasthan. So let's get into my kitchen. We are now in my kitchen. I'll take you through the ingredients of the chana moong dal. We'll need half cup of chana or gram dal, 1/3 cup of broken green gram dal, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, salt to taste, 1 cup of water, cumin seed 1 teaspoon, 1 green chili chopped, 1 teaspoon ghee and lemon, half a lemon. That's what we will need. So we'll need to soak this dal. I'm mixing both. And add water. Soak this for at least 30 minutes. So the dal has been soaked. I have washed this at least 3 times, and now we can add water into this. Add turmeric powder and salt. I've kept my induction ready. Switch it on, go to the pressure cook mode and close the lid. Allow at least 4 to 5 whistles, and then you can switch off the induction. You'll need to, after the 4 whistles, you'll need to wait for the cooker to cool down and then you open the lid, please. Now we can start preparing the dal. Switch on your induction, go to the induction mode and go to the saute mode. You'll need to mash this dal. Please check the water. If you need, you can add more water, because it is expected that this dal needs to be a little watery. I plan to have this with roti. You can choose to have this with rice as well. Nicely mash this dal. After you are convinced that this dal has been mixed fully properly, please start adding green chili, the chopped green chili, coriander powder, and mix this dal. Nicely give it a mix. At this stage you can check the taste of the dal and see if you need to add salt. The dal is starting to boil. Please allow it to boil at least for 1 or 2 minutes, so that the masala and the green chili taste, etc., gets mixed in this boiled dal. The dal has come to a good boil. I am going to switch off the gas. We'll then prepare for the seasoning. For seasoning, I have taken this kadhai, switch on the gas and go to the saute mode. I will add 1 teaspoon of ghee, allow this to come to a boil. Let it heat for some time. I'm going to add cumin seeds, After adding the cumin seeds and allowing it to crackle, I'll add the red chili powder. As soon as you add the red chili powder, I'll pour a little bit of dal and then pour this whole dal. Give it a mix slowly. The spice is of the green chili and the little bit of red chili powder that we have added. Has now come to a boil. We will now add the lemon in this. Please squeeze all the lemon. Lemon is going to be the star ingredient. The taste of jeera, the cumin seed and lemon and the spice of green chili is going to be very tasty for this dal. You can have this with roti. This has come to a boil. I am now going to switch off the flame. This is now ready to be transferred into the serving bowl. I will pour this into the serving bowl. You can season this if you want again on top with ghee, very little ghee and the red chili powder, and temper it on this dal. I'm going to leave it this way. Please do try this dal. I'm going to taste if this dal. Let me just taste this dal. Viewers, it is very tasty. The lemon tinge on this dal is very tasty. I hope you liked my video. If you did, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't still subscribed it, click on the bell icon to get notified on my future videos. Bye for now, until I see you in my next video.